Hit like and subscribe below to get more products.
Introducing the Bolt Fitness Tracker, a 24/7 lifestyle companion. Stylish, sleek, and powerful. Bolt's activity tracker helps you stay more active and sleep better. Uber fashionable, a gear that becomes your second skin. Tracks your calories, heartbeat, and sleep on point. It automatically measures deep, light, and REM stages in your sleep cycle and gives insights to help you get a good night's rest and boost recovery. But it's not just a smart band.
Keeping a bullseye on the target is hard. I mastered that, but realized that I had overlooked the most crucial part. Me, myself, and my health. And that is where B took over my life, and like a constant companion, motivated me to better health. It wakes me up, guides me in sustaining a healthy sleep cycle every day by analyzing my sleep quality and notifying me if I'm on track.
Looks like you haven't slept much. You were 40% restless. This could be because of the excess sugar meal last night.
I can ask B what my calorie goal for today is. It will analyze and set it for me, depending on my custom goal and fitness level.
You have been consuming excess cholesterol. Time to change, champ. You need more fiber and carbs in your diet.
By tracking my activity through the day, B watches out for me so that I can stay on track with my fitness goals.
You were spot on with your running goal today. Your average this week has been 500 meters per day, way up from last week.
B is motivating, encouraging, highly accurate, and efficient. It gives meaning to trillions of data sets in a fraction of a second. It analyzes my habits and patterns and predicts their impact within my lifestyle. For how many consecutive days have I been off track my diet? B does not only crunch my data, but also gives personalized insights on how to improve.
To improve your sleep quality, you need to increase your daily active time by 20 minutes.